Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can activate your RBC credit card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your preferred web browser and type in activate RBC credit card. So once you do this, you need to simply tap on the first link, which is let's activate your credit card. And once you do this, you need to now simply type in your credit card number. Once you are done typing in your 16-digit credit card number, simply tap on the start activation button. So after you do so, you will be prompted towards the page where you will be given instructions to how to open your credit card online or how to activate it, and in this way you can activate your RBC credit card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.